In the field of woodworking, the Economical CNC router is an entry-level beginner-friendly CNC router. Reliable performance. The Economical CNC router has stable performance, can accurately engrave and cut, and ensure the stability of processing quality. With advanced CNC technology, it can easily cope with various complex patterns and fine engraving tasks, and is suitable for furniture manufacturing, advertising production, handicraft processing, and other fields. Rich functions. It has a variety of engraving functions, such as two-dimensional plane engraving, three-dimensional relief engraving, etc., which can meet diverse needs.